Panyaso Voice Box definitely kuonetseni masomphenya a Boma la Malawi otchedwa Mvera Innovation City. Mvera Innovation City ndi malo amene Boma la Malawi lakhazikitsa kuti kumeneko mogwirizana ndi nthambi za boma monga Malawi Communications Authority MACRA komanso Malawi Defence Force MDF kuti kukhale malo kumene kukhoza magwiridwa ntchito zosiyanasiyana makamaka zokhudzana ndi science and technology ngati njira imodzi yopitsira chuma cha dziko lino patsogolo. Ndikali mbali limodzi tioneka klipu kameneka kulongosola kuti what is Mvera Innovation City all about, ndipo mukamaliza timati musangochoka mutuuze maganizo anu in the comment section below pompano Panyaso Voice Box.
Your Excellency, welcome to Mvera Innovation City and Mvera Development Corporation. Your Excellency, the city in front of you is what Malawi government is envisioning as to how it will be developed. What you see here on number 14 is a government entities that will incorporate the Mvera Innovation City. On 18 is the laboratories and the science hubs that will incorporate the Innovation City. On number 2 you see the stadium, and on number 6 you see an airport. And on 22 there is a solar farm that will power the project. Your Excellency, through MACRA and National Commission for Science and Technology and Malawi Defence Force, who are the anchored tenants for this project, are happy to develop this project so that it aligns well with the Malawi vision of 2063. With the technology, it being the hub for development, we envision that all things that you see here will be technologically be functioned in such a way. Your Excellency, I've got a video in front of you that displays on how this city will look like once developed. Your Excellency, what you see here is the government hubs. There is also a ley line. There is a dam, what we're calling it Mvera Lake, that will be developed. On the other side, I said there is an airport that will facilitate easier transportation to the city. So we will have 3 access to the premises, that is by road network, by air, and also by the railway station. So why Mvera? We want to develop a rural-based community so that we uplift it to the standard of a city. We should not only be looking at already developed cities, but take a rural area and develop it to some standards that are appreciated and develop, which will create employment. Your Excellency, yesterday we were seeing graduation in Zomba, 2,000 plus have graduated. Mvera is one way which will absorb the graduates. To develop this to the point that it finishes would have employed over 1,000 people. Your Excellency, let me take this opportunity that on the 16th of this 16th May, we've got a breakfast at BICC to invite the potential investors that will come and appreciate what the government of Malawi is envisioning in the near future so that we are able to develop this at a faster rate. Your Excellency, you are invited to be part of us on the 16th of May. Your Honor, Excellency, thank you. I submit.
Hey, the golf course.
Hey, the golf course is also there. Thank you, Honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.